President-elect. How are you? Good to see you. Congratulations. So nice to see you. How are you? I'm doing very well. Thank you. All right, we got the official picture. So now we'll get used to the protocol. You brought us in? You go for it. I'll be right back. Now, I'm always on the way. Oh, how was church? Welcome to your almost new house. Congratulations. Oh, you made it. Come on. Guys, we gotta get in. The next guy's coming.